Hello, it's Charlie Barber. Here we are at the end of our math course. I can't believe it's already the last week. But as I look back on all of the different things that we have read about and done, I walked into this course thinking I know pretty well what we need to do for children for mathematics. And that I knew that mathematics was more than just numbers and looking at the geometry and the measurement and data analysis was part of my wheelhouse. But this course has let me see it on an even deeper level and to explore things like 10 frames and pentominoes and even deeper ways to discover. When I think about the big ideas of this course, I think that the idea that math can be experimental and playful, and that there are many ways to solve a problem. That never really was true for me before, that you can count in multiple ways, and that the way children get to an equation can have many approaches is really important to understand for them so that they can be experimental about it. The second big idea for me was that relational understanding is the end goal. That idea that we have that we want to take the past learning and connect it with their current learning, and that covering the basic material is not enough, that we need to connect those dots and create those synapses and growth for children are those key understandings. And if we take that as the approach as we're thinking about how to implement things in our classroom, then I think we'll do it in a different way, and that we won't just brush over the surface and we'll look at it even closer. And then the last big idea for me is really that idea that teachers are key in creating the environment and creating an environment that allows children to have the productive struggle. That idea of productive struggle and the way that it promotes powerful mathematic thinking is pretty exciting to me. And that even really young children can learn those habits of mind that encourage discovery and exploration. And that teachers are key in creating the environment that allows them to interact with each other and to be cooperative and thoughtful in the way that they're approaching mathematics. And the idea of the way I grew up in school, that math was just done in your straight rows and you answered the problems yourself because there would be no cheating, kind of gets thrown out the window of working together on one problem with a class in a cooperative way is more meaningful than each individual just learning the process and writing out the equation and the answer. And that we can help children have productive struggle and exploration around problems in ways that will help them think math as more meaningful and allow them to think of themselves as mathematicians. I think when I looked at my first video and the way I approach mathematics is hasn't changed a whole lot, but the idea that I can make an impact on how others view mathematics and that they can have that sense that they're powerful about it is pretty exciting, and to have that growth mindset about what they are learning. So I hope we all can do that, and that we stay connected with our Pinterest boards and creating powerful mathematical thinkers. Thanks. Bye.